with the mulch is to apply the Pre-Emergent, and that's what Derek's been doing with the battery powered spreader. I don't know if you can see, but look closely, you can see the little granules everywhere in the beds, but we want to do that step last because we don't want to be blowing it off after that, because we'll be blowing those granules all over the place. And you know, the way that stuff works is it only protects the areas where it soaks into the ground. So if you blow that stuff off of a certain area when you're cleaning it up, then you won't have any protection in that area. So that's our final step. Everything's cleaned up. Our mulch job is done. We've cleaned up everything off the street. Very important. Make sure we leave the property like we came to it, or better. We've blown everything off the sidewalks. We've blown everything off the driveway. We've blown off any objects in the beds, like these water meter covers or the platform for the air conditioner. These where the downspouts come off, we always want to make sure to blow all that stuff off and leave it nice and clean.